Hi guys, today we're making homemade marzipan and it couldn't be any easier to do. This yummy almond candy goes together in about less than 10 minutes time. You will need almond flour or almond meal, powdered sugar, almond extract, the white of 1 egg, a little bit of salt, and the handy dandy food processor. That's it. As you can see, all the ingredients get put into the food processor and processed until a nice soft dough form. It takes all of less than 30 seconds. After the soft dough forms, turn it out onto a surface that's been lightly sprinkled with confectioner sugar and work the additional sugar into the dough. Now it's time to wrap the dough well in plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 3 hours before you decide to shape and form your marzipan to whatever you like. That's it, easy peasy. Get the full recipe at kudoskitchen by Renee.com.